Okay, as y'all can see here, this right here is our tabs. We've got multi-CSS here, multi-CS there, image processor. Up here, we have our media multi-CSS and multi-CSS here. If we close out of this one, it pops over here. Okay, image processor. Close out of this one. Okay, so that one closed, but the ones that are here will not close. Let's see, now we've got 3 of them that are open. The reason why it's there is that these right here are pinned. The ones that are pinned cannot be closed. So if we try to close them, they won't close, as you can see there. All right, we can't even click on that one. Okay, so, and now we've got so many different files that are open, but we can't click on this one. The only way to close them is to unpin, and now we can close them. Well, we should be able to close. There we go. Okay, so now we're able to close them, so then we can close out of this one. Okay, so now we've got this, and now we've got another one of our default. Then we're going to click on this one right here, and we've got another default. And then we click on this one, and there we go. We cannot close out of these. So we try to close out of it. Oh, that one closed out. So did that one, and so did that one. Oh, and then we've got the multi here. See, now we can't close out the last one. We could close out the first 2, but we can't close out the last one unless we unpin it. And then we close out of that one. Well, close out of that one. No, close out of this one. And then close out of that one. And so then we've got the default here. So it popped up. So can we close out of it? No, we can't. So let's come over here, click on this one again, unpin this. We can't close out of this one. Yes, we can. Okay, how about this one? Can we close out of this one? Oh, see that? It popped up again. And now we can't close out of that one, so we can close out of this one, and now that one. Okay, since I was recording, I was able to capture this screen right here. It's saying an error occurred in multi while attempting to open the default.aspx file. It says there is no editor available for it. Make sure the application for the file type ASPX is installed. So this is on the brand new version just released yesterday on the 17th of March 2026. Microsoft, y'all gotta do better than this. And we got our default. Okay, see that we got working on it. It cannot find it. Okay, so it cannot find it. This is the newest version, so this is help about. This is the newest version. It was just installed on the 17th of March 17th, 2026. A lot of bugs in this version. So can we close out of it? Okay, we closed out of that one. So, but we can't click on it. We can't click on this one because this one's open. So we got to close out of this one. And there we go. So now we got to close out of all of them in order to be able to start over fresh. So yeah, that's a major, huge bug in Visual Studio 2026 version 18.4.1 that was released on March the 17th of 2026. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.